Oh, she said one more? She's coming now. She wants you to do trampoline with Ading. She wants you trampoline. Exchange. After that, Jade. And then you can do the red one. Oh, you don't want? Okay, yeah. Okay, then go get the. You should have tell to Gracie to you drive first. Why she's driving?
What?
Why Gracie is driving? Why she's driving? Because what?
Harper didn't want to.
No, how about you?
Because she said that because I can just drive it anyway.
It doesn't matter. You could just say no. Daddy said I have to drive. You should say Daddy wants me to drive now. It's ours, so she cannot dictate.
Want me to play with you?
Yeah, you can do. Okay, you can go with. You can drive now.
Okay.
Oh. I know, cringe, right? Is Adidong gonna play with you? She said, okay. You have a toy? Okay. I thought Adidong said. I thought you called her. I thought you were talking to her. Let's see where Adidong is. Boom! Kick! Can you kick that? Kick hard. One. There you go. You want me to take that out first?
Yeah.
Chriselle, kala ko maglaro ka sa kanya ni. Ate Dong is now coming. Malaki ba? Okay lang? Hindi pangit? Ako nagpag... Ha?
Bakit? Di naman malaki.
Okay lang? Hindi. Oh.
Sakto lang. Kesa naman yung hapit na hapit mukha ka naman.
Hindi, itong ano.
Ay, logo.
Oo. Tama lang, no? Para makita.
Dapat sa likod.
Hindi, dito lang sa harapan na. Kung gusto nilang maganda, di bili sila ng sarili nila. Pang uniform eh. Di ba?
I can't.
Only you're the best.
You're tiny. I'm too big. You're tiny. Yes, it's tiny.
Sana all. You're tiny.
Tiny too? Yeah. I have a tiny head.
Eh. Juliana, you're not like. No.
You wanna go ride with me? Yeah. Yeah, it's cold.
You want the side by side, the big one?
The big one, you and me, big one. Then? Yeah. I want to pay you later.
Yeah, pay muna siya ni. You want?
Take it up? Huh? Take it up? Yeah. Why?
Hindi kasi sisipain niya yan eh.
I'm here today. I'm right here. Wait. Wait. Oh, that's it. Dapat, wala ba yun?
Hindi ano, yeah, ganyan. Oh, yan, oh.
Emma, you're tiny. Ay. Ah, chichon. Ano?
Huwag mong i-lose yan at magwawala man yan.
Ah, chichon, not today.
No, for the meantime, temporary only.